Hi everyone, I'm Gao Jie, a solution engineer at ADLINK. Today, I'm going to show you a useful AI machine vision development tool, the NEON-2000-JNX Series Starter Kit. As you may know, the development of AI machine vision applications is helping to solve many challenging problems more easily. We know that AI machine vision developers need an easy-to-deploy edge vision device certified by various industry standards with a built-in AI development software environment that reduces installation, hardware, and software integration time and efforts. The NEON-2000-JNX is a smart camera that integrates the NVIDIA Jetson Xavier NX module and provides rich image sensor options to fulfill a variety of application needs. A pre-installed AI machine vision development environment, ADLINK's EVA SDK, and the Neon's DIO function to receive and trigger external signals, which work seamlessly together to enable image capture and AI inference to communicate with external devices, all operated through a single Neon to complete your project's application needs. Next, I will unbox the Neon Starter Kit and show you how to use the Neon to set up an AI machine vision application. First, open the package with the Neon Starter Kit. The package includes a Neon Smart Camera, Type-C adapter, power cord, lens, and various extras. Note that the package content may vary according to your order. You can use either screw holes on the front or the rear of the Neon camera for mounting. Then, connect the Neon to the Type-C adapter used for powering the Neon, connecting to a monitor, and connecting to other USB devices. Connect the mouse, keyboard, and monitor to the Type-C adapter. The Neon AI Smart Camera can also use a DC power jack for its power supply, simplifying cable management. After connecting the Neon to a power source, it will automatically turn on. If the status light indicator is on, the Neon has power. After the Neon has powered on, you can directly deploy an optimized AI model to it. Start Neon's built-in visualized EVA IDE and use the pipeline to compose your image inference process. EVA SDK supports a wealth of plugins, allowing you to easily select the image source, a picture, a video, or an industrial camera, while also applying various image pre-processing methods, such as cropping, scaling, noise reduction, and sharpness. Finally, select your model and preview the inference effect on the Neon in real time to quickly test your proof of concept. The Neon-2000 Starter Kit has everything you need to start AI vision development. With the provided accessories and pre-installed software development environment, you'll be off to a quick start and benefit from a reduced system integration and validation times, simplifying the deployment of your AI model. If you have any questions, go to ADLINK's website to get help from an ADLINK AI machine vision expert. Thanks for watching.
ADLINK, leading edge computing.